Ki kertong ki batam palat ya kasan hajar watch ha news nem hajar mulai. Iba Bright Star Well marben yang iba job naka Maulai 15 constituency nakaseng VPP kumbakat san hajar driusma Saupo Watch. Iba Charles Marngar iba job naka Mawati 8 constituency nakaseng Congress kumba san hajar arspa Saupo Watch. Iba Kermenchala iba job naka Cleariat 6 constituency nakaseng UDP kumba san hajar driuspa Watch. Iba Methodios Nekar iba job naka Mountain Road 34 constituency nakaseng HS PDP kumba sanajar chispa Praponio Wards. Iba Preston Tensong iba job naka Penursla 27 constituency nakaseng NPP kumba prajar chispa Salpo Wards. Iba Meral Bonds iba job naka Nongpo 9 constituency nakaseng UDP kumba Driwajar Druspa Praponio Wards. Iba Pius Marwin iba job naka Ranikor 35 constituency nakaseng UDP kumba sanajar druspa Sawakonai Wards. Iba Coming One Mbon iba job naka Railiang 3 constituency nakaseng NPP kumba sanajar Laispa Laiponio Wards. Iba Yan Botham Kesangma iba job naka Salman Para 55 constituency nakaseng NPP kumba sanajar Arspa Laipopra Wards. Iba Arben Stone Bimarak iba job naka Selsela 48 constituency nakaseng NPP kumba prajar Neuspa Sahuwe Woods. Iba Sanbor Sulai iba job naka South Shillong Khatkandai constituency nakaseng BJP kumba Khatwejar Neuspa Khandai Woods. I Conrad Kesangma iba job naka South Tura 51 constituency nakaseng NPP kumba Sanhajar Khandri Woods. Iba Jimny di Sangma iba job naka Tikri Kila Saupusan constituency nakaseng NPP kumba Sanhajar Laispa Khalai Woods.